good. Stay safe at home and be happy. Okay? Do you like flowers? Which is your favorite flower? Wow, rose, lotus, lily, jasmine. Very good. Let me tell you my favorite flower. My favorite flower is rose. Do you know why? Because my name is Rose. Yes, I am your Rose Miss, your new teacher of English. Okay? Now let us come to the topic. I hope you have learned the English alphabets in your KG classes, don't you? Very good. You are very smart children. You know the alphabets. Okay, children, tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet? Very good. 26 letters. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay, now we are going to sing the song of the alphabet. Will you please join with me? Yes, come on, let us sing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, very good. You all are very good singers. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn the sounds of each of these letters. These letters have their own different sounds, and today we are going to learn the sounds of these letters. Okay? Which is the first letter of the alphabet? Excellent. Good. A. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Do you know how to write the letter A? From top to bottom, again top to bottom, then sideways. This is the capital letter A, and here we have the small letter A. Okay? Do you want me to write it on the board? Okay, watch carefully. I shall write it on the screen. Watch carefully. Okay? From top to bottom, again top to bottom, then sideways. This is the capital letter A. Okay? Now the small letter A we write like this. Watch carefully. Understood? Very good. Now this is the letter A. Now will you please give me some words that begins with the letter A? Apple, ant, ants. Very good. There are many words that begins with the letter A. Here we have some words. Look please. We have apple, ant, ants. Yes. All these words begins with the letter A. Suppose an ant bites you. How do you cry? Ah, ah, ah. Excellent. This is the sound of the letter A. Will you please repeat it? The sound of the letter A? Ah. Got it? Very good. Now we are going to the next letter. Which is the next letter? Very good. The next letter is B. The letter B, capital letter, and we have the small letter B. How do we write the letter? Watch carefully. Okay? Then make a small curve like this. This is the capital letter B, and we write the small letter B like this. Okay? Got it? Very good. Now please find out some words that begins with the letter B. Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, ball, bat, book, ball, bat. Yes, you know many words. You are smart children. Yes, here we have some words on the screen. Please look. We have bat, ball, book. All these words begin with the letter B. When you bat a ball, what sound does it make? Let us see. Will you please bat a ball? B. B. Yes. B is the sound of the letter B. Bat a ball, please. B. Yes. Excellent. This is the sound of the letter B. Got it? Now shall we move to the next letter? Which is the next letter? Very good. The next letter is C. This is the capital letter C and this is the small letter C. Okay, I am going to write it on the board. Watch carefully. Okay, the capital letter C and small letter C. Very easy to write, isn't it? Very good. So now let us find out some words that begins with the letter C. Come on, give me some words. Yes, car, then cup, cap, cat, cow. Very good. There are many words. Very good, very good. Now let us see some words here. Yes, these are some of the words that begin with the letter C. And to remember the sound of the letter C, here we have a small rhyme. Let me sing it for you. Okay, listen. Come on, listen carefully. We are clicking custard nuts, k. We are clicking custard nuts, k. We are clicking custard nuts, clicking custard nuts. We are clicking custard nuts, k. Got it? Did you like this song? Yes. To remember the sound of the letter C, we have here this song. Okay? Now shall we move to the next letter? Yes. Which is the next letter? The next letter is D. It's an interesting letter. We have the capital letter D and there we have the small letter D. Shall I write it on the board? Okay. The capital letter D from top to bottom, then make a big curve. Okay? And the small letter D starts like A and then goes up, down. This is the small letter D. Got it? Okay. Now we are going to find out some words that begins with the letter D. Please give me some words. Come on. Yes, doll, doctor, dog. Yes, there are many words. Very good. Here I have some words here on the screen. Yes, dog, doll, drum. Have you seen a drum? Yes. This is the picture of the drum. Have you ever listened playing a drum? Let us play the drum. Come on. Da da da, da da da, da 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 da. Do you want to play it? Come on, let us play it once again. Da da da, da da da, da 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 da. Got it? Yes. This is the sound of the letter D. Okay. Now we are moving to the next letter. Which is the next letter? Very good. The next letter is E. Very easy to write. Okay. A line from top to bottom. Then we have 3 lines to sideways. One at the beginning. Then in the middle. Then at the end. This is the capital letter E. And the small letter E we write like this. Okay? Got it? Yes. Now we are going to find out some words that begins with the letter E. Come on. Give me some words. Egg, very good. Elephant, the number 8. Engine, we have many words. Okay. Now look at the screen please. Okay, we have egg, 8, elephant. All these words begin with the letter E. Have you ever seen your mother cracking eggs? Come on, let us crack an egg. Okay? Listen carefully. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, What is the sound of the letter E? Got it? Very good. Now we are moving to the next letter. Which is the next letter? Yes, the next letter is F. Yes, very simple to write. It is an interesting letter. Start like the letter E. Okay, and we have the small letter F. The small letter F looks like what? Yes, very good. It looks like a walking stick, isn't it? Very good. Now, let us find out some words. Give me some words that begin with the letter F. Fan, frog, fish, flower. Very good. We have frog, fish, flower. Yes. And to remember the sound of the letter F, here we have an interesting story. Okay? Listen to the story well. There was a fire on a farm. Fit the fireman fights with the fire. He took out his long hose, and when the water comes, it sounds like. How does it sound? Very good. This is the sound of the letter F. Got it? Yes. And today we have learned the sounds of 6 letters. Okay? We learned the sounds of 6 letters. Let us revise it once. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F. Got it? Very good. Good children. Now for your assignment, find a word for each of these letters that we learned today and draw the picture of it. The picture should be very colorful and attractive. Okay? Thank you.